Hi, I'm Tom with Poolworks Twin Cities, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the ClearRay UV light bulb in your Sundance Spa. All you're going to need is a ClearRay bulb purchased from your local Poolworks and a Phillips screwdriver. The first and most important step is going to be turning the power off to your spa before you do any electrical work, including replacing your light bulb. Now that your front panel is off, all we need to do are remove the screws holding on the front housing plate and switch out the bulb. A note of caution, if your spa was recently running, the bulb could be extremely hot, so please take care when handling the old ClearRay bulb. Now all we're going to do is unhook these plastic toggle clips, discard the old bulb. Now we're going to install the new bulb. Be sure when you go to put the new bulb in that you're wearing the included rubber glove, as we don't want to get our hand oils on the light bulb or it could lessen the life. Now we're going to reconnect the plastic toggle. Tuck everything back in. Simply replace the front plate and 4 screws. Now that everything's put back together, you'll be safe to turn the power back on to your spa. If you need help getting your water balanced or your chemicals figured out, don't forget all Poolworks locations offer free water testing. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you have a good day.